Buenas tardes and welcome to the verb gustar and similar verbs. Now, the verb gustar translates in English to like. I like something, I like tacos, I like the beach, I like mountains. But it actually means mountains, the beach, tacos are pleasing to someone. So we're going to conjugate this verb differently because we're not actually saying I like something, we're saying something pleases me. There are two forms of the verb, gustar. In its conjugated form, it's either singular, gusta, or plural, gustan. So, say there is one book that pleases you. That is singular, so you use the gusta. El libro, and you use gusta. Okay? Say you like hamburgers. Hamburgers is plural, so you would use gustan. So gustar agrees with the subject of the sentence, the noun or the infinitive verb that follows it. Think about it like you're writing a backwards sentence. We'll get to that in 1 second. Before this, you use a pronoun to describe who likes the action or the object, or whomever the action or object is pleasing. Now, what did I mean by a backwards sentence? Well, what you're actually doing is saying that, let's say the beach pleases someone. Me, you, he, she, you, sir, us, y'all, them. Okay? Say I love the beach. I do like the beach. Okay? So I would say, me gusta la playa. The beach pleases me. Now the beach is singular, so gusta is singular, and to whom is it pleasing? Me. Okay? Say I like to dance. This is the verb in the infinitive form. You leave it in the infinitive, the AR, ER, IR form. You do not ever conjugate it. So you say bailar. So you say a ti te gusta bailar. Now what are these over here? The a mi, a ti specifies whom it is pleasing. You more often than not in spoken Spanish and written Spanish use this when you're referring to a specific someone within a group or a larger context. Say we're talking about all of our friends from school. So we're talking about how they like to drink beer, okay? So you would say, a ellos, mis amigos, les gusta la cerveza. My friends, so beer is pleasing to my friends, to all of them. But maybe Raul and John like Heineken, but Sarah likes Corona. So you would say, a mis amigos les gusta la cerveza. A Raúl y Juan les gusta Heineken. But, a Sara le gusta Corona. Okay? Now, if your friend likes milk, you would say, a ella le gusta la leche. Here's some more examples. If we like to read, a nosotros nos gusta leer. If y'all like the moon, os gusta la luna. Okay, now these a nosotros, a vosotros are not necessarily necessary in spoken or written Spanish. They're more often used to specify to whom these things are pleasing. Let's see some more examples. Okay, coffee. I like coffee. Me gusta café. Me gusta el café. Okay, ravioli. Te gusta ravioli. Running. A ella le gusta correr. Dancing. No gusta bailar. Tucson. A ellos les gusta Tucson. The beach. La playa. Me gusta la playa. Okay, Spanish class. Me gusta la clase de español. Now the only exception here that seems a little wonky is that if you have a huge list of actions that please you, you would think that it's plural, right? Because it's more than one thing. But it's not, because these verbs are left in the infinitive, the AR, ER, IR form. You leave these in the infinitive, don't conjugate it, gustar is conjugated, and you can have a list of 8,000 things that you like to do. And if they are actions and verbs in the infinitive form, you're going to use the singular. Let's give you this example. You like to dance, to sing, to sleep, and to read. Te gusta bailar, comer, dormir, y leer. Okay? Now what if I said you like to eat and you like tacos? There, it's not a list of all action words or verbs. So you would say, a ti te gustan comer y los tacos. This is not used very often, but in that case, if you have a noun combined with an infinitive verb, then you would use the plural. What is the plural? The plural of gustar is gustan. Look at this example. The mountains, las montañas. Las montañas gustan, let's say, a mí. A mí me gustan las montañas. I like mountains. Okay? You like the mountains. Te gustan las montañas. We like the mountains. Nos gustan las montañas, etc. You're getting the idea, but here's some more examples. Spaghetti is plural in Spanish because you're talking about more than one noodle. There are more spaghettis. Okay, so, a ella le gustan los espaguetis. Dogs, te gustan los perros. Libros, a mí me gustan los libros. Science, math, art. Okay, here we have a list of nouns, so it's plural. Nos gustan el arte, las ciencias, las matemáticas. Y las matemáticas. Okay, more examples you can find here. A mí me gusta comer. I like to eat. A Diana le gustan las flores. Diana likes flowers. A nosotros nos gusta la clase español. We like Spanish class. A ustedes les gustan los chocolates. You, sirs, like chocolates. A ti te gusta dormir. You like to sleep. And a ellos les gusta el café. They like coffee. Why don't you take a few minutes and practice? Pause this video, write down the answers, and come back. How did you do? I hope you did well. There are more verbs that actually do the exact same thing as the verb gustar, and here are some of them. Okay, aburrir. Okay? Aburrir means to bore. When you say, I'm bored of this class, you're actually saying this class is boring me. So, aburrir conjugates to aburre or aburren. Y me aburre la clase. The class bores me. Okay? Hacer falta, to be missed. Okay? Fascinar, fascinate. Let's say the stars fascinate us. Nos fascinan las estrellas. Okay? Here's some more. The one you'll use second most often from Gustar is encantar, which means I love, okay? Or this like extremely delights me. So, me encantan los perros. I love dogs, okay? Dogs are pleasing to me. Encantar conjugates to encanta or encantan. Encantan. Nos encantan las comidas exóticas. Okay? Now, here's some more examples. Me aburre la clase de ciencias. Science bores me. Me parece bien. It sounds good to me. ¿Te parece comer? Do you feel like eating? Does eating sound good to you? Nos sobra la comida. The food is left over for us. Okay, we have leftovers. Y a Juan y Raúl les encantan los perros. Dogs are very pleasing to Raúl y Juan. They love them. I hope that you have understood this and that you do not have any questions. If you do, feel free to email me for more examples and more exercises. Que tengan buen día. Muchísimas gracias. Have a great day.